Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to catch a kraken. First, you'll need to prepare thoroughly for this epic challenge. Begin by assembling your most powerful fishing gear. A sturdy rod and a line with at least 200 pounds of tensile strength are essential. Next, secure some special bait, perhaps a giant squid or a rare deep-sea fish, known to entice these legendary beasts. Finally, make certain your vessel is robust and ready for the deepest ocean trenches. Once prepared, your next task is to locate the kraken's elusive lair. These creatures typically reside in the ocean's deepest, most abyssal trenches, often at depths exceeding 1,000 feet. Keep an eye out for peculiar surface phenomena, such as sudden, localized storms or swirling whirlpools, which can indicate their presence. Utilizing advanced sonar equipment will help you pinpoint massive, submerged anomalies that could be your target. With the kraken's location identified, it's time for the main event. Carefully cast your specialized bait directly into the detected anomaly. Be ready for an immediate and powerful strike. The kraken's bite is legendary. This will be an intense battle, requiring all your skill. Employ precise reeling techniques, alternating between steady pulls and controlled slack to gradually tire the colossal beast and bring it to the surface. Congratulations, you've successfully caught a kraken. Once it's subdued, carefully secure the massive creature to your vessel, ensuring it's safely tethered. Don't forget to document this extraordinary achievement. A photograph will serve as proof of your legendary fishing prowess. Finally, harvest the valuable resources and rare materials that the kraken provides, which can be used for crafting powerful items or sold for a substantial profit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.